with me, let's experience the annual Igbo Festival of Arts and Culture right here in London. This festival brought together Igbo communities from all over the UK, each with their own vibrant canopy where they gathered, celebrated, and showcased their rich cultural heritage. I remember walking through the rows of canopies, feeling a sense of pride and belonging as I saw the beautiful displays of our Igbo culture. There was so much dancing, eating, and meeting new people. One of the highlights for me was seeing everyone dressed in beautiful traditional Igbo attires. The colors, the patterns, the elegance. It was really breathtaking. So what usually happens at this event is throughout the day, different registered groups will perform traditional dances or special greetings, and they'll pass by a table of esteemed chiefs who would judge their performances. And at the end of the event, awards will be given to the best performances. So you find different communities passing by. So right here, the chiefs and the judges are going round to different communities just to say hello, welcome them to the event. So it's just beautiful, seeing a sense of community, seeing pride, seeing beauty, seeing togetherness. It's just beautiful. So this dance was a special presentation, like an introduction to the ceremony. Igbo cultural dance is an integral part of Igbo culture, and it was on full display at the festival. Now, these dances are not just about movement. They tell stories, they convey emotions, and they celebrate our heritage. One fascinating aspect of Igbo dance is the act of spraying money. This is a way for the audience to show appreciation for the dancer's skill and performance. As the dancers move gracefully to the rhythm, spectators come forward to place money on their foreheads or throw it in the air, creating a shower of appreciation. It's a beautiful tradition that not only rewards the dancers, but adds to the festive atmosphere.
We have in our presence
A massive well done to the organizers of the Igbo Festival of Arts and Culture events in London. They did a marvelous job. Parking was fabulous, food was fabulous, space very organized. Wow. Have I mentioned food? Another fantastic aspect of the festival is the food. There's a section where various food are sold, like jollof rice, suya, roast corn, plantain, traditional food. Now, apart from the food sold by various businesses, each community represented comes with their own food and drinks to entertain their members. Now, let me share a little story about masquerades. When we were children, we were told that there were certain types of masquerades that females, girls, ladies should not look at. Because we didn't know which particular ones, we would run or hide whenever we saw any masquerade. I remember this one occasion when my mom was driving and we were stuck in traffic. A huge masquerade came towards the driver's side and my mom quickly covered her face. I tried to see if I could catch a glimpse of the masquerade's real face through the mask, but I couldn't. The masquerade kept enchanting, and my mom was like, Ifoma, cover your face. Don't look at it. Cover your face. So I covered my face, and that was it. We never asked why did we need to cover our faces. If I tell my kids now to cover their faces, they will ask why. And really, I have no answer. Times have really changed. Nowadays at events, especially in diaspora, both males and females follow the masquerades around, taking pictures and videos. Can you believe it? If you know why women and children were told to hide or cover their faces when a certain type of masquerade was passing by, please tell us in the comments below. I'd really love to learn more about this tradition. The Igbo Festival of Arts and Culture is a fantastic avenue for social networking, especially for young people. It's a great opportunity to meet new friends, connect with old ones, and build a strong sense of community. So even though it's an Igbo Festival of Arts and Culture, the event is open to everyone. People from different cultures and even non-Nigerians are welcome to join in the celebration. It's a beautiful way to promote cultural exchange and understanding. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the Igbo Festival of Arts and Culture. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more amazing experiences. Until next time, stay blessed and keep celebrating culture and diversity.